So I fancy something sweet, and I bought something the other day and it's amazing, and I need to show you. Excuse my washing machine in the background and the dog squeaking their toy, but these are from Lidl and they are super delicious. Pancake bites. Excuse this fluff muff. So it looks like someone's just got a pancake and ripped it up, but they're frozen pieces. And you can just pop them in the microwave. I'm going to wash it down with some freeway peach tea. So I'm not going to leave it in for the full 3 minutes, because when it gets to like a minute and a half left, I'm going to add some Canadian 100% pure Canadian maple syrup. So they are now done. They've soaked up the syrup. Whoa, steamy. Let's try one. These are only like £1 something, and they are absolutely delicious. This is my favourite saying, but I'm being honest.